This is Trader Sebron here again. I want to begin to talk about EU, Euro USD for the week 14. So we're looking at week 14 on Euro USD, whatever it's called. Now, listen, guys, last week we decided to predict that the market was going to go higher to break this high. Okay, we still haven't been able to break that high yet. If you haven't watched the video, please do. This is a daily time frame. And then we're looking at this low, the previous lows. Now we have, again, another consolidation phase. So I could begin to see why the market is rejecting at this key level, but which is already broken on the previous market. Okay, on the previous trade, we see price broke that key resistance and push all the way up. So that's a good thing. Now we see that price has already broken a major key level here and is heading to another major key level, okay, which is psychological level of 0.0900. So we have 0.0900 there, and then the next one, which we are expecting price to get to, is 1000. Okay, that means 1.1000 level. Okay, that's what we're looking at this key level right here. So where we have this previous high. Now, anything can happen here because overall we are looking at an uptrend. Don't forget, always ensure you see that coming. Overall, we are in an uptrend. The market is trending up overall, but the only thing we have here now is the market has not broken this high. So we already see price beginning to create a lower high. Now, why would price do that? Did it break structure before? Now, on the daily, we haven't seen any structure broken. We only see equal lows created. So we haven't seen a structure. This is the previous high created and then previous low created. So this low is a bit too high, is even higher than this low. How would you know that? If you check the candle either by wick or by body, then you can see that this one is a previous low is still lower than this low. So we are still in an uptrend, guys. So we need to be very conscious of that, even though we're having a price reacting at this key level, which is here where you have this resistance here, so a resistant level, but we are still in an uptrend. So what you want to do looking at EU is what direction, as a day trader, what direction should you go? And as a swing trader, what direction should you go? First of all, as a swing trader, you might be seeing this as an opportunity to sell and then come to this key level. So you might be seeing this as an opportunity to sell this market and then come to this trend line before another bounce off. Maybe the market might bounce off from there and then start going back to break the previous high. That can happen. But let's see a more clearer note on this while we go to the 4-hour time frame to see this. Now, I'm a day trader, so I look at these time frames to analyze my chart. So the weekly, we trade every week, every day. So we're looking at weekly analysis forecast to see what the market has. Now, already we could see that the market on the 4-hour has given us another trend line, which is already broken. So we can see that this trend line has been broken on the 4-hour. So that's a good sign. So another thing we should be looking for is structures. Is it possible for us to see a structure break? Now we have this push down. This was a previous low, and this movement is one move. This is one correction, one move to the upside. So if we're looking at it this way, we should be seeing that the price created a new high here, created a new low, pushed all the way up to create a new high, and then eventually came all the way down here, create a new low, and then push up. Now, you can see that this high is higher than this high. See, how would you know that? Listen, let me show you something. And now this is where you need to catch this. This is what I teach my students, so I want you to catch this. Listen, did you see this body? You see, this one push higher than this body. So obviously, what the market doesn't want you to know is that they broke structure here. So you need to be careful how you sell this market. That's what I'm telling you. You need to be very careful how you sell it. So if you're going to sell, don't just jump into sell, but rather wait for the market to break structure. And the only structure you will wait for that the market break on the 4-hour time frame is this one. Okay, before you look for selling, that's number one. Now, what what would the market do? Maybe I'm thinking market does this, break, and then pull back up and sell. So you will sell to this trend line. Remember, this trend line is coming from the daily time frame. It's a very strong trend line, and that would be the third bounce. So you need to watch out for that. And then the market could do this and head back up again. You see that? To break out, to take out liquidity at this level. So this could be possible trade on EU. So what you want to do, focus your attention on, since we already have this trend line broken, what you want to see is it going to break structure? You may see this one as a structure, but it's not. This is one correction to the upside. So you need to know that. So this is the real structure that you need to pay attention to on 4 hour. You want to see that happen. And then before you start taking action on the 1 hour time frame, 2 hour time frame. But if you want to scalp, then go to 1 hour by all means. Go to 1 hour to scalp and then look for this as a breakup structure. So you cannot use this as a breakup structure to scalp. So immediately price break, all right, this structure, then you should be looking for what? You want to look for sell. You want to look for sell. So if price break that structure, wait for a pullback and then sell to this trend line. And that could be a possible opportunity. And guess what? That's a lot of move to the downside. I'm telling you, from here or whatever it is, you trade there. That's about 100 and something pips. And then you can begin to buy the market up again from there. And then guess what you get? That's about 250 pips. So possibly. Why? Because we're still in an uptrend from the 4 hour time frame. We cannot be assuming that the market is start selling now. No, there is no sign of retracement yet that we should start looking for sales. The market is still trending up. I hope you guys got that. So it's very important to understand when you're looking at the market, the areas at which you're looking at it from. So this is my take on EU. Watch out for these movements. Watch out for this structure break. Ensure you're trading your trading plan. Don't risk what you cannot afford to lose. All right. Use proper risk management, guys. This is what we do. Thank you so much. If you are liking this video, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and then share the video as well. And I assure you, if you do this, you will have more understanding of just trading. You just get to know more on things. The market will just become clear to you. All right. And in addition to that, join us in our Telegram group. If you haven't joined us yet, join us there. The link is in the description. It is not a signal group. It is an educational group. It is for learning purpose. And also, you're going to be seeing my daily analysis. You can't beat that, right? So join us and you will enjoy your journey in forex trading. Thank you so much, guys. That's all I have for you on Euro USD. And I hope you enjoyed. And I'll see you in week 15. Bam. Week 15. See you soon. Bye for now, guys.